I had a patient who was admitted to the hospital in June of this year for a heart attack, and I met with the patient shortly after he was discharged from the hospital to go over many of the medication changes that he had had, and this seemed very overwhelming to him. He was on several medications and just didn't really know how to manage all of these, and so we were able to sync up all of his medications so that they came due at the same time every month, and we ultimately transitioned him to our sync pouching here at Think. This helped to not only improve his adherence to the medications, maintain his blood pressures at goal, but ultimately we saw a drop in average blood sugar for this patient of over 100 points, which put him right at goal blood sugar for what his physician had hoped. Ultimately, by just syncing up his medications, we were able to make this improvement in his blood sugar without any medication changes in his diabetic regimen. If you would like to see how we can help you and potentially look into syncing medications for you, come on down and we'd be happy to take a look and see how we can help you out.